from SwissWatchExpo. Spotlight on Rolex's proprietary materials. Materials that Rolex produces in-house. Rolex is known for its uncompromising standards. The brand made its name through many firsts that it introduced to the watchmaking industry, and has stayed ahead of the curve through constant innovation. One of Rolex's secrets to achieving top-notch quality and aesthetics is to rigorously select and even manufacture the materials for its watches. While outsourcing materials is the norm for many watch companies, Rolex has a number of proprietary materials that they produce entirely in-house. Which of the materials in your Rolex watch is actually produced by the company? Stay tuned to find out. In the 1990s, Rolex pursued to control every part of the manufacturing process in order to increase the level of their watch's quality. They began by manufacturing solid-link bracelets, and eventually developed their own foundry in the early 2000s, where they now make the metals used for their watches. Used in Rolex's contemporary steel watches is Oyster Steel, a unique blend of 904L steel that's proprietary to the brand. While the industry standard is still 316L steel, Rolex shifted all their watches to 904L in 2003 due to its superior corrosion resistance. Due to higher levels of chromium, nickel, and copper, Oyster Steel is tougher and has anti-corrosion properties comparable to precious metals. Both highly resistant and polishable, Oyster Steel keeps its shine even when exposed to elements. Rolex has also been producing their own gold since the 2000s. They exclusively use 18-karat gold, then add exactly the right mixture of elements, such as silver and copper, to produce their yellow, white, and rose gold. Their proprietary rose gold alloy, the Ever Rose, even has a mix of platinum. The copper and rose gold alloys react to salt water, UV rays, and sweat, and the addition of platinum counters this reaction. Introduced to the market in 2005, Rolex's Ever Rose watches continue to live up to this expectation. For its platinum watches, Rolex uses 950 platinum, an alloy consisting of 950 thousandths of platinum combined with ruthenium, a chemical element in the platinum group. The combination makes their platinum alloy robust enough to be used for watches, while maintaining its brilliance and shine for long. Enjoying this video so far? Subscribe to our channel and get updates on new videos. Ceramic has been explored by watchmakers since the 1980s as a more scratch-resistant alternative to aluminum and metals. Rolex took its time to perfect their ceramic bezel and launched the Parachrom in 2005. Not only is the Parachrom virtually scratch-proof, it's also impervious to the sun's ultraviolet rays, so its vibrant hue never fades. It made its first appearance in the Rolex GMT Master II in yellow gold, and has been used in succeeding Rolex sport models. Pushing the envelope further, Rolex created the first bicolored ceramic bezel in 2013 with the Rolex GMT Master II Batman. While it was first thought of as impossible, Rolex was able to achieve the two-color single ceramic component through a patented process. Rolex has used several kinds of lume for its watches, from radium and tritium to superluminova, which are also used by other watchmakers. In 2008, Rolex introduced its own proprietary luminous material called Chroma-Lite. Watchmakers have long used luminous materials for the dial markers in order to enhance legibility in low light conditions. What makes the Chroma-Lite superior is that it lasts up to 8 hours, more than double the lasting power of other luminous materials. And finally, we have the Parachrom. Look closely at this movement, and you'll see a blue material used in Rolex's modern hairsprings. The Parachrom is a proprietary alloy made from niobium, zirconium, and oxygen, and is given a surface treatment that gives its unique blue color. Compared to traditional hairsprings, the Parachrom remains stable even when exposed to temperature variations and magnetic fields. When subjected to shocks, it's 10 times more accurate than the average watch movement. Experimentation has always been a part of the watch industry. Rolex, in its 100-year history, remains the leader in the development of new materials and continues to push the boundaries of watchmaking. Want to learn more about Rolex watches? Click on the upper right screen for our All About Rolex playlist. Don't miss out! We launch 2 videos weekly on the best and the latest in watches. To get updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel.